So, andito tayo ngayon sa Maricelo Villas sa Las Piñas City. We will check in you for close condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at for Close Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. 55 square meters, 2 bedrooms po siya. So, this is the kitchen area. Ayan. Over and under cabinets. And this is the living and dining area. So, as you can see, meron pang gamit ng previous owner. And this is the bathroom. Ayan, very spacious. Good condition din yung unit. So, this is the bedroom 1. Ayan. Yan, may view siya ng amenity area. Okay? And this is the bedroom 2. Yan. Meron siyang access to the balcony. Ayan, ang ganda ng view niya. Facing clubhouse, swimming pool, yan. Facing amenities siya. 'Di ba? Oh, ganda niya. And this is around 4.5 million regular price, and negotiable siya. Pwede natin siya makuha around 4.3 million or 77,000 per square meter, below market and zonal value na po yan. And this is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% spot down payment, and then 80 to 90% balance, in-house and bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. So this is as is where is upon turnover. And if you are interested to make an offer, because this is first come first serve basis, and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Parang ano to Spanish inspired yung theme niya. Ano ang pangalan? Sebastian Almeria.